Hello, welcome to Cryptic Talk today. Top 10 good crypto coins to invest in 2021. First is Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin has been around for the longest of any cryptocurrency. It's easy to see why it's the leader with a price, market cap, and volume that's much higher than any other investment options. Even with thousands of other cryptocurrencies on the market, Bitcoin still represents 40% of the cryptocurrency market cap. Many businesses already accept Bitcoin as payment, which makes this cryptocurrency a smart investment. Visa transacts with Bitcoin, and Tesla CEO Elon Musk recently invested $1.5 billion in it. Plus, the larger banks are beginning to incorporate Bitcoin transactions into their offerings too. Risks of investing in Bitcoin. The value of Bitcoin tends to fluctuate a lot. You may see the price go up or down thousands of dollars during any month. If wild fluctuations like these make you nervous, you may want to avoid Bitcoin. Otherwise, as long as you keep in mind that cryptocurrency is a smart long-term investment, these fluctuations shouldn't be too concerning. Another reason to reconsider investing in Bitcoin is its price. With a single share costing more than $50,000, most people can't afford to buy whole shares of the stock. For investors who want to avoid buying partial shares, this is a negative. Second is Ethereum. Ethereum is a decentralized software platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized applications to be built and run without any downtime, fraud, control, or interference from a third party. The goal behind Ethereum is to create a decentralized suite of financial products that anyone in the world can have free access to, regardless of nationality, ethnicity, or faith. This aspect makes the implications for those in some countries more compelling, as those without state infrastructure and state identifications can get access to bank accounts, loans, insurance, or a variety of other financial products. In 2021, Ethereum plans to change its consensus algorithm from proof of work to proof of stake. This move will allow Ethereum's network to run itself with far less energy as well as improved transaction speed. Proof of stake allows network participants to stake their Ether to the network. This process helps to secure the network and process the transactions that occur. Those who do this are rewarded either similar to an interest account. Risks of investing in Ethereum. While Ethereum utilizes blockchain technology, it only has one lane for conducting transactions. This can lead to transactions taking longer to process when the network is overloaded. A hack in 2016 led to more than $60 million Ether dollars lost because of a flaw in the Ethereum wallet. While the company has made strides in increasing its security, loopholes are always a risk with any cryptocurrency investment. Third is Binance Coin. Binance is one of the few cryptocurrencies to reach its peak after 2017. During that year, there was a bull market and the price of all cryptocurrencies rose on it, reaching a peak before plateauing and decreasing in value. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, Binance Coin continued a slow but consistent trend upward after 2017. Because of its performance, Binance Coin has proven to be one of the most stable investment options, posing fewer risks. Risks of investing in Binance Coin. What sets Binance Coin apart from its competitors is that it was created by a company instead of a group of tech developers. Although Binance Coin's commitment to maintaining a strong blockchain has won over many skeptics, some investors remain leery of this cryptocurrency and its potential security issues. Fourth is Tether, USDT. Tether is the most stable of all cryptocurrencies because it is tied to the US dollar. For each unit of Tether, there is $1 in the Federal Reserve Bank. This makes Tether great for investors who want to transact with their cryptocurrency. Risks of investing in Tether. Investors have raised questions over the actual reserve stock. There are doubts that there is truly a US dollar in the reserve bank of each Tether unit. If this were ever disproven, the value of Tether's stock could drop quickly. Fifth is Cardano. The Cardano network has a smaller footprint, which is appealing to investors for several reasons. It takes less energy to complete a transaction with Cardano than with a larger network like Bitcoin. This means transactions are faster and cheaper. It claims to be more adaptable and more secure. Cardano consistently improves its development to stay ahead of hackers. Risks of investing in Cardano. Even with a better network, Cardano may not be able to compete with larger cryptocurrencies. Fewer adopters means fewer developers. This is not appealing to most investors who want to see a high adoption rate. The platform has big plans, but there are doubts about whether it can live up to that potential. Sixth is Polkadot. Polkadot was created by Ethereum leaders who broke away to form their own cryptocurrency with a better network. Instead of having a single lane to complete transactions in, Polkadot has several. This cryptocurrency was designed to reward genuine investors and weed out people who are just trading on the stock market to make money fast. Investors who are engaged in the company also help to make decisions on things like network fees, network upgrades, establishing or removing parachains. Risks of investing in Polkadot. Polkadot's founder, Gavin Wood, first introduced the cryptocurrency via a white paper in 2016. At the end of 2020, Polkadot began trading on the stock market. With such a short history, Polkadot doesn't have a track record for comparison, making it a riskier investment for potential buyers. Seventh is Ripple, XRP. Ripple is the company that unveiled the XRP token and is enticing to investors because it sets itself apart from other cryptocurrencies by offering international transactions. With a bank, international money transfers can take up to 10 business days. With Ripple, the same transactions take mere seconds. Plus, Ripple has contracts with big banks around the world. The more contracts it has, the more accessible the Ripple cryptocurrency is to adopters. Risks of investing in Ripple. Ripple showed promise in 2017 when its value jumped 36,000%. However, when you look at the fact that the percentage represented growing to a $2.40 stock value, it's less impressive. As you are researching cryptocurrencies, don't be distracted by high percentages. Get down to the real numbers and see what the growth really means. Eighth is Litecoin. Originally established in 2011, Litecoin hit the market at the same time as Bitcoin. However, it didn't take off in the same way. Litecoin boasts completing transaction 4 times faster than Bitcoin. In 2017, it was the first cryptocurrency to complete a Lightning Network transaction. The transfer was completed in less than 1 second. If the company expands its use of Lightning Network for faster transactions, Litecoin's value could increase dramatically. Risks of investing in Litecoin. Since Litecoin and other cryptocurrencies are tied closely to Bitcoin, their value will generally fluctuate along with Bitcoin. This means the value will go up and down just as Bitcoin does, although at a lesser rate. If you consider Bitcoin's volatility a negative, Litecoin may not be a good choice for you. Ninth is Chainlink. Chainlink is unique as a cryptocurrency because it has an appealing price. While the shares are affordable to buy, they are also priced high enough to not be considered penny stocks. This is appealing to investors because it has proven it can increase in value and there is still a lot of room for growth. It's also available for trading on Coinbase, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency apps. Being more accessible also makes Chainlink appealing to investors. Risks of investing in Chainlink. While it's still above thousands of other cryptocurrencies, it has a lower volume and market cap than more appealing cryptocurrencies. That's why Chainlink ranks so low on the top 10 list. 10th is Stellar, XLM. Stellar's Lumens, also known as XLM, was established to serve a niche need within the world of cryptocurrency. It's essentially the PayPal of cryptocurrency networks, serving as a bridge between banks and blockchain networks. As a decentralized network, Stellar can convert any currency and trade it across channels. It makes these transactions cheaper and faster than they would be with a traditional bank. Risks of investing in Stellar, XLM. Because Stellar XLM caters to a niche market, it will likely see other companies try to compete against it. If another cryptocurrency network creates a better platform and takes traffic from Stellar, it could affect the company's stock value. Final take. There is no question about it. Cryptocurrencies are here to stay. The question becomes, where is the best place to invest your money in the market? As you decide which cryptocurrency is the best investment for you, here are some other things to keep in mind. First, the speed at which transactions are completed. Second, the fees associated with transacting. Third, the ability to use your cryptocurrency for regular purchases and bank transfers. If you are strictly looking to invest without transacting within the network, remember that cryptocurrency is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Instead, you should consider it a long-term investment. Thank you for watching. Stay with Cryptic Talk today for more.